Set now and the race is on. Rushing up from the outside is Anna Divine. Pocket Rocket alongside is Ever Charming. Moving up by the race Domek. Rushing up on the outside is the favorite Dugus Charm, while Typhoon Doding is running at the tail of the field. Back to the front runner, Anna Divine by about 3 lengths, followed by Pocket Rocket in second. Ever Charming racing in third alongside, and moving up now, taking the fourth spot, the favorite Dugus Charm, and running down on the inside is Domek, and Typhoon Doding is still running at the back of the pack. And at the far turn, Anna Divine by about 3 lengths. Pocket Rocket in second. Ever Charming, and moving up by the rallies Dugus Charm. And as they race the last 500, Anna Divine, Pocket Rocket, Dugus Charm moving up by the rail as they race the final corner. Pocket Rocket takes the lead. Dugus Charm is running by the rail. Pocket Rocket, Dugus Charm down on the inside, but still Pocket Rocket is still the leader, followed by Dugus Charm down on the inside, and nearing the finish line, number 1, Pocket Rocket, Dugus Charm, Typhoon Doding, Ever Charming, Dom